When you want to replace a DSC keypad, you need to check its programming first, because the keypad have an address that is related to the door just next to it. So press *8 and input your installer code. If you don't have it, the default one is 5555. Otherwise, you will have to contact your installer. Or the only other way is to factory reset your panel, and you can do it by referring to the video on the upper right corner. Then go to the section 000 and the subsection 0. The first digit you see here is the partition number. Keep it in mind. Press the right arrow, and the second digit we see here is the keypad address, which is also 1 in my case. You have to know that with this keypad model, the number you see is in binary. You can refer to the video on the upper right corner to learn how to read binary in only 2 minutes. Those 2 digits that we just saw are very important to input in your next keypad. You can now exit by pressing # twice. To replace the keypad, it is recommended to power off the alarm. But if you make sure your wire won't short, it should be fine. I'm an expert. Don't try this at home. Insert a screwdriver under the keypad and pry it to make it come out. Look where the wires goes. Red and red, black and black, yellow and yellow, green and green. Pretty simple. If you have a zone on the keypad, you might also see a wire go in PZ and black. You just have to reinsert it on the next one. You just have to place the wire at the same place on the next keypad. So unscrew everything on your defective unit and screw it back at the same place on the new one. Finish with the red wire so the keypad can communicate to the panel once it comes online. Then make sure no wire touch each other. Then push the keypad in place. I will now make sure the keypad is on the right partition and on the right address. So *8, installer code, section 000 and subsection 0. Because my case is the default one, I will have nothing to do. But if you had something like 1, 2, simply hit 1, 2 on the keypad. Once you're done with this subsection and you come back to this empty screen, press #ons and go to section 902. This is to make the key bus to scan all of your devices. Otherwise, it will always search for your old keypad and you will have a triangle error. Wait a minute and press # twice. If you had no triangle before, this one should get away in the next minute. And we are done. For other DSC tutorial, please refer to the link in the description or see the card on the upper right corner. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe, and what you do see back there is from my main channel, so please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya!